To be able to test installing our dynamic module locally, we'll change Split Install Manager factory to be the fake Split Install Manager factory. And this gives us an instance of a fake Split Install Manager that uses the local testing folder that we exported during the build apks command to simulate installing our dynamic module. If we run the app and switch to the simulator, you can see that the app launched as expected. And when we click Start Activity 2, it simulated installing the module and opened our second activity. And you can see in here from the logs that the request to install the module has been executed by the Split Install Manager, and it has emulated the installation of the module. We can also simulate a network error by simply calling should network error on the fake install manager. We can do that by applying this method when we are creating a new instance, and that will force a fake install manager or to error every time a request to install a dynamic module is made. So when I run the application with this configuration enabled, I would expect the state update listener to get a failed status and show me that toast install failed. So let's have a look. If I click Start Activity right now, the fake install manager will emulate installing or requesting to install the failed module, and we can see the install failed toast is visible.